here we're going to see some very common reflexive verbs, okay, that you might come across. So first we have despertarse. Despertarse means to wake up. Bañarse, bañarse is to get bath, we know that. Vestirse, vestirse is to get dressed. Dormirse, it means to fall asleep. Acostarse is to go to bed. Casarse is to get married. Casarse. Divorciarse, to get divorced. Divorciarse. Sentirse, to feel. Afeitarse, afeitarse is to save. Maquillarse, maquillarse, to make up. Lavarse, lavarse is to wash oneself. Quitarse, quitarse is to remove, remove cloth, remove your clothes, remove your shoes, okay? Quitarse. Sentarse is to sit. Sentarse is also, to sit is also reflexive in Spanish. Atreverse, atreverse is to dare, okay? Alright, now here we're going to see some verbs, okay, where we are going to keep it normal without reflexive pronoun, and we're going to see at this side the same verb with the reflexive pronoun, okay, and we'll see how the meaning is changing, right? For here, for example, we have hacer. Hacer means to do or to make, okay, hacer, very important verb, but here we're making it reflexive verb by putting se over here, so hacerse. Now, hacerse means to become, okay, like I want to become a doctor, then you can use this form, hacerse, okay. Ver, ver means to see a to see movie, to see anything. But verse, verse means to look or to appear. Like if I say you look very handsome today, you look very handsome, then I can use this, verse, okay, perfect. Él se ve muy guapo, like this. Ir is to go, okay. Ir is to go, but if you make it reflexive, it means to leave, okay, perfect. Llevar is to carry, okay, to carry anything, but llevarse is to take something with you, or to steal or to buy something, okay, that's a difference, okay. Like if I say el ladrón, ladrón is thief, el ladrón se llevó, okay, el ladrón se llevó muchos oros. It means the thief took or stole a lot of gold. Okay, perfect. Cambiar is to change. Okay, cambiar. But cambiarse means to switch from one thing to another. We have acusar. Acusar is to accuse someone. Okay, acusar. But if you say acusarse, if you make it reflexive, the meaning totally changes and it means to admit. Acusarse literally means like to accuse yourself, right? So it means if you're accusing yourself, it means you are admitting, right, that you are the criminal. So admitting, perfect. Now poner means to put, okay, put something, but ponerse means to put on yourself, okay. So it's like that. So ponerse we use like to put the shoes, to put the okay stuffs. So in that case you can use, but poner is like if you put your stuff in any place, okay, perfect. All right, that's all about the reflexive and non-reflexive verbs. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.